Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Well, it's day 3 of this project, and today we get to start some rebuilding. We should get a lot accomplished. We still got some nice weather. We had some rain last night, but it's sunny again today. Looking forward to it. May not look like much, but with a lot of calculating and screwing and nailing and heavy lifting, we got the base for what is going to be our stairwell. Had to get the tarps back on in case of rain. Well, that was a long day. See you later. Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Well, it's day 4 of this project. We still got a lot to do, so let's get to it. Day 4 is concluded, and we got a bunch of the framing done, 2 end walls all the way to the top, and then the lower portion of the main wall. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get the rest of the framing done and the framing for the roof done. Thanks for watching.